This is why you need a pair of T-50 wrenches to fasten your T-blade with VUEBOLTS. Now that your T-blade is anchored to the concrete, place your concealing cap and slide your timber to position. Your VUEBOLTS are colour matched to the T-blade and will require T-50 wrenches to fasten. Every VUEBOLT has the same size T-50 star drive head, which match the wrenches. Insert the female part of the bolt first and lock in with one wrench. On the other side of the timber, place your male part of the VUEBOLT and tighten with the other wrench until flush with the timber. You can then start to tighten any remaining connections, using one wrench to lock the position and the other to tighten. Hold onto your wrenches for any future projects that will require the T-50 star drive fastening head. To find out more about the VUEBOLTS or the T-blade, head to vuetrade.com.